the complete guide to your first driving instruction in a vehicle. Excited? Nervous? Combining the two? Regardless of how you're feeling about your first driving lesson in a car, knowing what to anticipate might be helpful. The following 10 events are likely to take place during your first in-car driving lesson. 1. You'll need to bring your learner's permit. Your instructor will want a copy of your learner's permit or student license in order to legally allow you to operate a vehicle during your first in-car driving session. Don't forget to bring it to every lesson. 2. You'll start in the passenger seat. Your teacher will take you to a parking lot or similar calm residential area after picking you up from the designated place. That way, when you first get behind the wheel, you won't have to worry about managing traffic. 3. The instructor will ease you into driving. It's common to experience apprehension before your first lesson. You will be able to fully absorb what you study since your instructor is skilled at making you feel at ease. Relax by taking a big breath. The journey will soon become enjoyable for you. 4. You'll look in the mirror. Your driving teacher will go through the car's controls and instruments during your first in-car lesson. You'll also learn why the mirror is crucial. It is so crucial that you can anticipate your teacher going into great depth about it during the first lesson and every other lesson. 5. You will drive. You've been waiting for it, here it is. You will operate the steering wheel while taking your in-car training. Bonus, you won't have to worry about other vehicles or traffic during your first lesson. You'll get to put a few fundamental moves to the test and learn some crucial skills that will prepare you for a lifetime of safe driving. 6. But you won't drive for miles and miles. The most likely distance you'll travel during your first in-car driving lesson is 4 to 6 miles. You won't be driving about all day. As an alternative, there will likely be numerous stops where the car will turn into your classroom. 7. You might switch seats several times. Competent driving teachers are aware that learning involves more than just hearing information. It also involves watching certain abilities and actions being executed correctly. You might therefore frequently change sides with your instructor. In this case, keep a close eye on everything. There is nothing better than a hands-on demonstration coupled with written explanations, whether it be for teaching you how to handle the steering wheel, the skill of easing off the brake, or how to read the gauges. 8. There's a lot of Q&A time. Unable to comprehend something? It is typical. You almost certainly have questions during your first in-car driving lesson. If there is anything you don't understand or are uncomfortable with, ask your instructor about it. Better yet, request that they demonstrate. You'll soon drive with considerably more assurance. 9. You'll build a bond with your instructor. You and your teacher make a fantastic team. Keep in mind that your instructor is extremely qualified and motivated to see you succeed. Also, if necessary, they can utilize the instructor break that they have. You may be confident that your teacher will be with you through every step of your driving adventure. 10. You'll get a personalized report. After each in-car driving lesson, your instructor will assess your progress and compile a unique report that you and your parents can read online. You may now give your parents something more to be proud of, even if they already know what a great kid you are.